Hi everybody, Chuckleberry Jim here. So it's Easter weekend 2023. Me and Mike have come down to Harmony and we're going to be going to do a bit of fishing, and maybe some crabbing, and then tomorrow the plan is to sail across to the Isle of Wight, to Yarmouth. So we will update you later. So we are out at Mudderford Quay and we're doing some fishing. The tide is ripping out like anyone's business, so the line kept floating to the surface. So we've used 2 big weights on the line and it's still drifting away. But we're using some Waitrose finest smoked bacon, so hopefully we'll catch some very discerning fish. We will update you later. We didn't catch any fish because every time we chucked the weight in, it just went shooting off down with the tide. So we've abandoned the fishing and we've gone and bought some cockles from the seafood store on the quay. And that was much more successful. Update you later. Chuckleberry Jim here, just heading out of Christchurch, going down the harbour now. It's me and Mike on board Harmony and we're off to the Isle of Wight, weather conditions permitting. At the moment it is like a mill pond, flat calm, but we'll get outside and see how we get on. So we'll update you later. So we are successfully out through the run at Mudderford. We're just heading out of the channel. We're going to start getting the sail up and then head for the Isle of Wight. And we're out and sailing. Sails are up, no problem at all. We use trusty Raymond on the helm to hold us straight while we got the sails up, leaving Christchurch behind. And we are heading along the coast and then over to the Isle of Wight. Lovely weather for our trip. We're cruising along about 3 knots and Mike's got the fishing line over the side, so we're hopeful to catch a few mackerel for lunch. We will update you later. Raymond's doing a sterling job on the helm, keeping us on course. So we're heading through towards Hurst Narrows now. So we got through Hurst Narrows successfully, a little bit bumpy and choppy, but it's all good. And we're now just approaching the Isle of Wight and Yarmouth. It's all good so far. Okay, so we're just outside Yarmouth Harbour. We've just taken the sails down and we're just looking at the very large ferry, and we're going to give the harbour master a call to see if there's a short-term berth for us. So we're just heading into Yarmouth just as the ferry's coming out, so we've just had to adjust our course to avoid that. Also the lifeboat's just going out behind us. So, change of plan. Yarmouth's full, being bank holiday weekend. The only thing they could offer us was an outside mooring, and we didn't fancy bumping up and down and having our lunch there. So we're going to put the sails back up, head back out to Christchurch Bay and have lunch underway. So we're back out sailing again. heading back through the Hurst Narrows now, back towards Christchurch Bay. We're having some crackers and cheese for lunch, and the wind's come up a bit now. Lovely sailing conditions, sun's out, and it's a beautiful day. Just some excitement on board now. I think Mike has caught a fish on his line. Mike, how's it looking? Have you got one? Let's have a look. He's just winding it in now. How's it going? What? Nothing? Where's it gone? Oh no, lost it. Oh, that was sad. So we're going to be getting the sails down in a second and then getting ready to go through the run, and we'll see what state the tide is, because yesterday it was ripping through there. So fingers crossed we'll get in okay. We're safely back inside Christchurch Harbour. The run wasn't as bad as it was yesterday, so that was great. And now we're heading back up to the Sailing Club, and we're safely back on the pontoon at Christchurch. So successful trip today to the Isle of Wight and back. Lovely day for sailing.